Hello students, today we will going to start with series. So before understanding series, let us understand sequence. Sequence is a set of numbers following common rule. Okay, so let's see one example. These are the set of numbers given, and we have to see a common rule. What could be the common rule? If you see two consecutive numbers, any number preceding the other is added by 1, means minus 30 is added with 10, minus 20 is added with 10. So with this way you are getting the entire series, means consecutive number differ by 10. That is, so this is a sequence. So this is the way we can find the next number after 30. After 30 the number will be 40. After 40 the number will be 50. Let's see another example. 40, 20, 10, 5. If you see and observe here, the number just after the another number, consecutive number, we see that it is divided by 2 and it is getting halved. Means 20, if you see that it is halved, got it from 40 divided by 2, it's 20. 10 is 20 divided by 2 and 5 is 10 divided by 2, means 40 divided by 2 you got 20. Similarly 20 divided by 2 you got 10, and similarly you will get 5 divided by 2, you will get 5 by 2. So now let's see some terminologies here. Term of a sequence means each and every number we call a term, and term of a sequence like first number, a number at a particular place denoted by t1, u1 at first place. So tn is a number at tnth place, is a tnth number where n belongs to natural number, means here t1 is minus 30, t2 is minus 10, 20, so on. Similarly here t1 is 40, t2 is 20, so here tn, let us now see tn for both the numbers. Here what will be tn? Tn, if you see, is nothing but minus 30 plus n minus 1 into 10. If you apply this formula here, means for the first number there will not be adding anything. For the second number, if you put n equals to 2, you will get so on. Let us see by this formula. It will be tn will be equals to minus 30 minus 10 plus 10n, that will be equals to minus 40 plus 10n. So by putting the value you will get every number. Now let us try this t4. Let us find t4. So t4 you will get minus 40 plus 10 into 4. You will get how much? 0. If you see from here, first term, second term, third term, fourth term is 0. So this is nothing but a common rule a common expression for nth term. Similarly, if you see here, so we can say nth term will be what? 40 divided by 2 to the power n minus 1. So if you simply write it down, you will get 80 divided by 2 to the power n. So you will get, if you put n equals to 1 here, you will get 80 divided by 2, that is 40. If you put 2 here, you will get 80 divided by 4, that is 20. If you will put 3 here, you will get 80 divided by 8, that is 10. Now let us see to find, cross check it, T4 term. So that will be how much? 80 divided by 2 to the power 4, that is 80 divided by 16, that is 5. So let us writing the terms of a sequence with a given rule. Here what we will do, we will write the terms of a sequence with a given rule. Means we are given the rule Tn equals to n square minus n by 2. Now we will write the terms. T1 will be what? 1 square minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. T2 will be what? 2 square minus 2 by 2, that is equals to 4 minus 1 equals to 3. T3 equals to 3 square minus 3 by 2. You will get how much? 9 minus 3 by 2. That will be 18 minus 13, that 18 minus 3, that is 15 by 2. So we'll get the sequence. We'll get each and every term of the sequence. Though the reverse will be not that difficult coming in the exam. Generally this kind of difficult in reverse will not be coming in the exam. But yeah, you should be knowing it. T1 equals to, here in this case, in the next example, T1 equals to 2 into 1 plus 4, that is 6. T2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 4, that is 8. T3 equals to 2 into 3 plus 4, that is equals to 10. So now you will get all the terms like 6, 8, 10, so on. So here what we are doing, we are writing the terms of a sequence with a given rule. Now finding the rule for any term from a given sequence. Now we have to do the reverse, means we are given the sequence or series and then we have to find the rule for any term. So here let us see the example, minus 5, 3, 11, 19, and another example 10, 20, 40, 80, 160, and another one example, that is 1, 4, 9, 16. So if you observe these two numbers, consecutive numbers, you see the difference is 8 plus 8, means this number Tn plus 1 minus Tn is 8. 19 minus 11 is again 8. So here you can find the rule, means Tn will be minus 5 plus n minus 1 into 8. Because it's, why we are doing n minus 1? Because it started adding after first term. So you can check it, putting the value 2 here, you will get 3 again. If you will put 3 here, 16 minus 5, 11. If we will put 4 here, so let us further solve it. You will get minus 5 minus 8 plus 8n, that will be minus 13 plus 8n. Now putting the value one by one, n equals to 1, you will get minus 5. You will put the value 2, you will get 3, and so on. So this is the general rule. Now let us see this question. If you see here, the difference is here. If you see, difference is not constant. So what we will do, we will try to see that there is a multiplication, that is, it is multiplied by 2. Each and every consecutive number multiplied by 2. So what we will do, Tn equals to first, whatever the term it is, 10 first term into 2 to the power n minus 1. So basically it will be 10 into 2 to the power n upon 2. So we'll get 5 into 2 to the power n. So putting the value n equals to 1, you will get 10. You will put 2, you will get 20, 3, get 40, 4, you will get 2 to the power 4, 16, 5 is 80, and so on. So this is a rule or expression for the nth term. Similarly here, if you will observe here, it is neither being multiplied by something by a common rule, means neither it is being added. So here if you see, but these number are squares. This is 1, this is nothing but 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square. So somewhere the nth term will be n square. So this is the common rule or expression. Now let us come down to a series. It is a summation of all terms of a sequence. Means so far we have discussed sequence. We found the terms of a sequence, or whatever the terms are given of a sequence. Now you have to add all those terms. Once we will add, we will get series. Let us see one example. This is a sequence given. And its series will be what? Just you are adding it, adding all the terms. Series is represented by following ways. Means either you writing the terms and mentioning the numbers of terms in a given series. For example, you are writing some term 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25 and saying that there are 20 terms in this series. Means 20 terms in this series. Or next, using summation. Means because instead of writing each and every term, we will use summation. This is a notation, we use it for representing this kind of a series, sum of a series, which helps to save a space and time and lot of writing. So what it is, you have to write this in summation like this, whatever it is mentioned here, and starting value here r equals to 1, and where it is going till n, and whatever the rule it is starting. So here the rule is 4 into 1 by 2 to the power r. Now this rule is given. You have to just insert inside this summation. R equals to 1 to n tr. Finite and infinite series. Let us discuss finite and infinite series. Example 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. How many terms are there? 6 terms. So this is a finite series. This is a finite series. Let's see another example. 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, so on. It is not ending. If you see, it is not ending. There is no end term given here. So it is a infinite series. Again, writing, if we are writing in summation, so we'll get this, we'll get this. So starting from r equals to 1 to means still this is a finite term. So when this is a finite term means you are having a finite number of terms in a series. So this is again a finite series. Here if you see that r equals to 1 to infinity means each and every time r is increasing means there is no end to it. So we see this infinite term. So this is what? Infinite series.